Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you like the video, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's start the video. It is equipped with a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, which is widely praised for its outstanding performance and innovative technology. Equipped with twin turbochargers to increase air intake efficiency and power output. 8 cylinders, arranged in a V shape. Equipped with an XL engine and a 9-volt battery box, its compact design allows for high power output in the limited engine compartment. The drivetrain works with precise piston movements. By moving the light gray gear lever, the speed can be adjusted and the chain tension can be regulated. The toy set contains many building blocks. All components are sorted and carefully packed to prevent them from getting lost. Assembly instructions are included so you can start with each step. After the main structure is assembled, guide the builder through adding cosmetic pieces and making adjustments to ensure everything moves properly. Example: once the build is completed, explain how the moving parts should function. Show how the pistons and crankshaft interact when turned manually. Close the script with a wrap-up on the project, emphasizing the accomplishment and how the model can be displayed or used as a mechanical toy. If the model is tricky to assemble, consider adding some troubleshooting tips. For example, how to fix pieces that won't fit properly, how to make the gears move more smoothly, or even ways to customize or modify the model for more realistic details. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you again in another video. Everyone will be fine and healthy.